Here again is Arnest, and really quick, let's look at Streetbee app and also Mobrog app review in 2020. Which app are you going to pick according to what I'm going to tell you today? Whether you are going to look at Streetbees to do your stories and have fun, or and also looking at Mobrog app, the one that carries surveys and so forth. So let's look at the Streetbee, how it works. It says you have to answer some questions and take some easy take 1 minute video while you make tea, say what you think of your mobile network, and take a photo at your local supermarket. And then this is how it works. This is how, when you install, you'll get $5. You can make up to $10, $15 paid to your PayPal account. This is how you'll be chatting and answering this. You can make to $200 according to how you'll stay on the app itself. Then become a bee. What does the bee? It does honey by picking from flower to flower. So you become a bee by signing up. I'll show you in the meantime. Before we do that, we have another app called Mobrog. I'm going to show you the review between the two, and it's up to you to choose which one. It's a yes or no. Now here is Mobrog app. You have to choose which country are you located in. It's a paid market research where you'll be given some questions, answer. You can actively participate in market research, give your opinion, and money by taking part in surveys. So what do you do? These are online surveys. You can easily fill out surveys on your computer or on your smartphone, or your online panel will send you regular invitations for email to take part in the surveys that can be filled out effortlessly online. So what you have to do, mobile surveys, they are there. They also offer Mobrog Survey Rock, which means it also gives you an opportunity to be paid. You can redeem your money safely and conveniently using PayPal. That's the guarantee. It has also data protection. It's very important to us. That's why they have confirmed that. And you have to sign up. On average, we are paying between $1 to $3 per survey. What do you do? Just sign up and get these apps on Google Play Store. But before that, if you find this video quite interesting, what you have to do, go to the subscribe button there and click subscribe now. For as we go in, this is the Streetbee app. It can be found on Google Play Store or Google App Store, and you can install in your smartphone and start making money, or you can visit their website and start working with them. What you have to do is, what happens, you be rewarded for sharing your ideas with brands. What do you think of the new juice concept? Looks healthy, I'll buy it for my kids. And then tell them your thoughts by chatting. What you have to do, you'll be chatting and then capture your life. You can also share your moments whenever you are and receive more money. What you have to do, join the global data community. Do you agree with the current government immigration policy? If you agree, yes. If you don't agree, you just give an opinion according to how you feel like. Then see all your completed stories, and then see the graph as it goes high as you continue to earn more money. This app allows you to withdraw your money through PayPal. It pays through dollars. So what you have to do, look for it and then download. Let's see our review here. It's 4.3 rating on Google Play Store. This is a very good idea for making survey a little easier to take it by panning. Some of these are quite impressive reviews, and then you can even contact the developer and so forth and so forth. Now let's look at what happens before we install. Can we look at Mobrog? This is Mobrog app. As you can see, it's a splendid research application found on Google Play Store and App Store. What does it do? First, number one, join Mobrog to get paid for answering online surveys on your phone. What you have to do, you'll sign in your name and then choose your password to sign in or register. Take part in interesting surveys no matter what time it takes or wherever you are. This is a good work from home job. It's part-time job that you can do and receive some cash out of your normal duties. There are some additional demographics: household, occupation, automotive, electronics, and so many more items according to your hobby, and then you'll be good to go. Express your opinion, help to improve products and services. As you can see here, that's a sample, the panel app, what is your professional position in the organization you work for. Quite simple, and you have options to choose from, so be quite eloquent and answer according to how you feel. We appreciate your opinion, that's why we'll be rewarded. How much can you make? Your current balance is GBP 0.5. So welcome to Mobrog. As you sign up, so let's meet as we recommend Mobrog to your friends and get paid. So this one also gives you an opportunity to earn money on referral. We want you to grow with you. You see, you will receive GBP 0.64 per registered friend. Invite through the form below. So this is what you will copy and then share with your friends through email, or refer them through the code, and then when they sign up, you will have to get more money on board. So that is the Mobrog app survey app. Now we are going to look into the Streetbee and see what's all about. Stay with me. If you have not subscribed, then subscribe now. So this is the homepage for Streetbee, where they have their stories, their Gov ambassadors, and you can also click on the button enter, and then you'll start signing up. Let's look at our stories, a little bit about their stories. Welcome to Live Insights. In 87 countries, our stories so far in 2014 and so far before. There are many stories here you can go through. At the same time, let's look at ambassadors. What does it become? Become a Streetbee ambassador. Get paid to help us expand in your country. What you have to do, you apply, click on the apply button, and then be part of the Streetbee ambassadors by making $5, $20, $15, and even more money. When you click apply button, you become one of the Streetbee ambassadors in your country. You can see, then you get Streetbee code of conduct. You have to agree and then be part of the Streetbee ambassadors. Now what you want to do is become one of the Streetbee ambassadors. Final click and away you go. Welcome to Mobrog. You have registered. Now after registering, what you have to do, attention Gmail users, the confirmation email arrive in your promotion tab and not in the primary inbox. So check on your primary on your promotion tab, and then you'll go back and confirm the email address with you. I've just signed in. Maybe let me check. Start survey. When you start survey on your mobile phone or on the other, you get there are some dollars here, and that's what we love most. You see, if you invite your friends, you can just click here and then get the link where you enter your friend's address and click send. Your friend registers using the link in the email. Your friend completes 3 surveys. Okay, you get rewarded $0.63 US. So this one pays a little lower than even the Streetbee, and this one looks more complicated when it comes to finding jobs, and at the same time inviting people on board. What happens, you just come on board here every day on the dashboard and find out what jobs are there every day. Like in New London jobs, there are 77 jobs open, and you have to wait until your area when it comes in. So when you want to log in, click here, then you try to log in. Let me see what happens. Oh, I've already logged in. Let me think. I think so. Yeah, I'm already logged in. So what you have to do, you just check my balance. You can redeem rewards, invite your friends, we push invitation, my profile. You can cancel the membership or change an email address and log out. So these are some of the things you go through and see. So let me see on the surveys what happens. The following surveys are waiting for your participation. Please note that each survey can be started only once. So whenever you start your survey, you do it once, not even twice. So you click here, click on the arrow here. Of course, I don't want to take in survey. What I have to do is just to show you on what it takes. Okay, welcome. The following questions will be will help us to find suitable survey for you. So you'll have to fill in those questions. You click on the arrow here, then go in and try to answer those questions. So they are trying to set up what type of person are you, what are some of the profile that you own, rented apartment or what, rented a house, farm, living, parties, and so forth. So you continue answering questions until to the end and see what are some of the surveys that can follow within you. So this is what the frequently asked questions. Make sure you go through them and then find out which app is the best for you, if you are a person of Mobrog or not. So this is what came in. Whenever you sign up, make sure you come in and confirm your registration on Mobrog on your email address. Of course, they have given us a warning that the email might come to your spam folder or in your promotion. So make sure when you find it in your spam folder, confirm it that it's not a spam email. So what you have to do, are you going to pick the Mobrog or Streetbee? Let's look at Streetbee once more again and see how much it pays. So it's upon you to choose which app will work for you better. Is it the Streetbee or Mobrog? So during my check and after I've gone through, I find Streetbee the best one because it gives you more preferences and it gives you more freedom to navigate around, and you can open licenses, you can check around, and then your profile, it can be edited very well. It's very responsive, and I cannot ascertain the truth that they pay very well. As you can see, these are some of the winners, which means they have some promotions or something of the sort where people can participate and earn. Okay, now these are some of the stories that you can see, and then your activity is quite simple, very short like that. Your profile, and then your invitation link comes here through here, this one here. Let me see how it comes in. When you click on the invite friends, what happens is it opens up for you platforms where you can share your link. If you want to copy it, let me see, you can just copy, and I've copied all these links. If you want to sign up, in the description box, make sure you click on them. Now answer me in the comment below. Let's connect, let's comment, let's chat. What are some of the apps that you think between the two, which one can you work with? Is it Streetbee or Mobrog? So answer that in the comment below and use these links to sign up immediately, and let's continue making money online. Okay, see you in the next video as I show you more apps and signs that we are going to make money online.